Yeah, so, and then also, another source of variation is mutation, and we'll have a closer look at all the different types of mutation. And there you have it. If you look at all the sources of genotypic variation, it's through either meiosis, reproduction, mutation, and on the other hand, you will see it's not, it's only outlined, it's outbreeding, because that is not voluntary. Meiosis, we know, during prophase, exactly during crossing over precisely, and then the random arrangement of chromosomes during metaphase and anaphase. Then during reproduction, the fusion, die bevrugting van soveel spermcelle met een eierselletjie, is daar so baie spermcelle soos ons reeds gesê het, maar daai spesifieke een, en dan natuurlik mutasies wat op die gene plaasvind waarna ons nou gaan kyk, as ook chromosoommutasies. Ons kom ook nou by hierdie verskillende mutasies. Jy kry 'n dodelike mutasie, 'n neutrale mutasie en 'n vaste mutasie. Nou die dodelike mutasie, dit is 'n mutasie wat die dood van 'n organisme veroorsaak, en dit verhoed dan dat daardie geen oorgedra word na die volgende generasie. 'n Neutrale mutasie het geen effek nie, en ons gaan nou kyk hoekom, maar dit is die vaste mutasies waarin ons belangstel. Want op een of ander wyse is dit voordelig vir die organisme, en dit is hierdie mutasie wat natuurlik soms alle ander gene, of die geen wat dieselfde eienskap beheer, heeltemal uitskakel en dan 'n nuwe eienskap inbring, en dit word oorgedra, en dit is waar die vorming van 'n nuwe spesies vandaan kom.
Okay, Colin, I think this is so important, and they are going to get questions about this. Can we quickly run through it again? And maybe I will do some diagram on the paper just to give them another idea, so that they can see. So kom ons kyk gou-gou hierso. Remember, can I have the paper, please? Remember, we've said we have genetic variation and genotype. People, onthou julle nog wat die genotype is? If we have the variation of the genotype, it means it's a variation of the genetic composition. And there are three main ways. Now, can you remember? Number one is, yeah, I can hear somebody there at the back say, meiosis, I'm sure. Then reproduction. Nou ons weet dat meiose of meiose 'n voorstadium is van voortplanting. Ons weet dat geslagscelle gevorm word deur meiose, maar die proses van voortplanting self is belangrik. En dan het ons mutasies. Nou wanneer vind mutasies plaas wat 'n rol gaan speel by hierdie genotypiese variasie? We know that mutations occur during the meiotic process. We know that sometimes a mutation can even occur during the moment of fertilisation. And sometimes a mutation can also occur during mitosis, right at the beginning of an organism's life. So, these three are what are the causes of genotypic variation. Now, if we look at meiosis, two important things. Crossing over, and that is during prophase, you know that. Crossing over and the arrangement of the chromosomes during metaphase. Reproduction, wat daar belangrik is dit is die bevrugtingsproses self. Because we've said any of those, sometimes even 5 to 8 million sperm that are released during, and remember it's not just humans, all organisms. With plants, which pollen grain containing which characteristics will in the end provide the gamete for reproduction. So it's right throughout the all organisms. I can't say animal kingdom, plant kingdom, protists, the fungi, all of them. Where there is sexual reproduction, there's always a chance of a change in the genotype.
And this is also very important that you remember this. Variation is very important because later on we'll show you what happens if variation does not take place.
Ja, dit is belangrik, variasie. There's a saying that says variation is a spice of life. It's also, hierdie soort van spice of life is ook die behoud van lewe. Goed, en dan laaste mutasies. Daar's 2 tipe mutasies, geen mutasie en chromosoommutasie.
Ja, en ek dink ons wys gou vir hulle dit spesifiek. Ons het dit reeds gewys vir hulle tydens genetika, maar kom ons wys dit weer en hierdie keer het ek dit vir hulle so 'n bietjie uitmekaar uitgehaal sodat hulle wel kan sien.
En dit, Karen, behoort vir hulle genoeg bewys te wees. Gaan hersien jou werk van die eerste kwartaal.
Dis reg.